Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life. Zero shot prompting involves asking an AI to generate responses without providing any specific examples of what the output should look like. Instead, it relies on the AI's understanding of language and context to generate a relevant response. This technique works well for straightforward tasks, or when you want the AI to come up with a creative or generalized solution without detailed guidance. For a parent teaching their child, prompt: I am a parent teaching my 7-year-old about healthy eating. Create a simple, fun story to explain why fruits and vegetables are good for the body. And here is the fun story generated in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.